Here we have a door handle from a Skoda Fabia. This is the right rear door handle, and so if you picture opening the door and then you have your tool and goes in, the hook of the tool faces inside or towards the vehicle, and you can see a little thing came out there. That basically means it's loosened now and you can pull off the door handle. If you feel like you're applying too much pressure, your hook is not in the correct place, as this tool that I was using was very weak. And I'll show you from this side as well. So when you put it in, that's your right rear. You open the door, so you open the door here, the door's open now, you put your tool in, you face the hook towards the interior of the vehicle. So I believe if you do on the left side, you're going to face the other way, and then your hook goes in, and that's it. It's basically, this is the trick to it. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we will see you in our upcoming videos.